Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and I have a Shein haul. I've been really about the Shein lately. I've actually placed several orders. Not all of them did I record for y'all because a lot of this stuff, might have been going to a different collab or something like that. But these I can record. And a lot of this stuff, it probably will end up in giveaways, but I am going to try. Oh, look, that's from Kroger. This one came in literally as me and my husband were pulling out of the driveway to go out of town. So I just got it from the guy, put it in the cart, and it went out of town, crossed a few states with me, and came back with me. So yeah, it's been driving me crazy because I couldn't look at it because I was busy. I was busy with my son's birthday. Enjoying the time with my child. I went a little quick crazy, I think. But I wanted some stuff for giveaways. I needed some stuff for giveaways. Must have stuff to give to y'all. It is imperative. There's a receipt. Okay. There we go. It always comes with these little flyers from them. This one's very summery. Meet your match for summer. I think they need a wintertime flyer. What you doing, Bee? Hey, bye, Faye. We'll get to see a different kitty today. I know she comes around sometimes, but not near like she used to. Hi, Bonnie. What you doing, baby girl? This is a Dottie's girl right here. You gonna pick up the scarecrow with your tail? Oh, sweet girl. Yeah. Okay. So, I believe this is lipsticks, lip liners, lip glosses, and nail stickers. These are the 6-sheet marble pattern nail art stickers with one nail file, multicolored. They're normally $4. I did get a discount on them. I think I paid $3.45. Now they do have 3 little nail files in there, and then they're individually wrapped. So I can actually break these up if I wanted to. Look how pretty. Ooh, pretty, pretty. Ooh, pretty, pretty. I have never tried their stickers on myself to see how well they stay on. I am extremely, extremely hard on my nails. Nothing hardly ever stays on for more than a day. That's why I tend to not do anything with them. But I thought these would be great for giveaways. Great for people who actually take care of their nails. Not like me. But yeah, so I got 2 sets of those. The 8-sheet leopard and zebra stripe nail art sticker with the 1-piece nail file. Multicolor, normally $3. I paid $2.46, sorry. And it has more than, I don't know why it says 1-piece nail file. There's 2 nail files in here. There's 3 in the last one. So, zebra print. Ooh, I like that one. Nice and colorful. Ooh, I like that one. Kind of marbly. Cute. The best part about these is you could just do an accent nail if it all was too much. I like that one with the ombre look to it. Ooh, very pretty. That's a New Year's nail right there. See, super cute. Somebody told me if you open them up just to do like an accent nail, you put the rest of them back, just seal them black. Take your curling iron or your flat iron or something and melt the plastic back together. That way they stay fresh and don't dry out. 1-sheet plaid pattern nail art sticker. This one is supposed to be $1. I paid 87 cents. As you can see, it's just kind of plaid. I've been in a plaid mood lately, so I figured I needed one of those. I figured it'd be a way to try it. Some of it is see-through, which is kind of neat. Last for the nails is this 24-piece flower pattern nail art sticker. This is normally $2. I paid $1.73. So these are stickers that you would put, like, not the entire nail, but just like a portion of the nail. separate elements, hand painted watercolor clips. So you would just cut one of these out and you would put it on your nail. And they're, well, actually, some of those could take up quite a bit of your nail. I mean, that's neat. Yeah, I can't hold everything. I'm just going to show y'all and then I'll look later because it'll take forever if I stop and look at every one. Some of them are upside down, aren't they? Sorry about that. But yeah, just cute little accents to add to your nails. Little flowers. That was upside down. In all different colors. Oh, my stomach's starting to growl. I hope y'all didn't hear that. Oh, there's 4 clovers on there. That's cool. Oh, what are those? Seashells. Seashells. Cool. I don't know if I've been all the way around. Those are roses. Yeah, so those were the last 2. That's pretty neat. What do y'all think of those? I wonder how well they would stay on. I mean, I imagine you would paint your nail polish, put them on, maybe put a top coat over the top of them to keep them on. Is that how you do that? I don't even know. Alright, so that's all the nail stuff. Now we're going to go into the lip stuff. Let me see if I can separate this stuff out. So what do you do when you can't decide which color to get? You buy everyone. Yeah, that's what I do anyway. So these are Jelly Wows. These are SHEGLAM Jelly Wow Hydrating Lip Oils. And I got five flavors. You got Loco for Cocoa, Grapefruit Glow, Green Apple Envy, Berry Involved, and Mally Blue Berry. Let's see, they're normally $3.99. I paid $3.45 for them. There's a 2 for $20. Buy 2 get 20 off is the thing. Let's see what it says. Details. Ditch the gloss and reach for our moisturizing non-sticky lip oil instead. We infused its innovative formula with antioxidant, this one, blueberry extract, hyaluronic acid, and squalene to deliver a healthy moisturizing shine that feels divine. Let's see what it looks like. I'm not sure what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to give because I'm going to try one flavor and the rest is going to be giveaways. So I'm not going to be opening more than just to show you that. Ooh, look at that big old brush. But that is cool. Actually, what does it say? It says that the Loco for Cocoa and the berry infused are very hot. I would probably go for the berry infused. But anyway, that's those. These are SHEGLAM Glam 101 Lipstick and Liner Duos. So it's got the lipstick and the lip liner in it. I have Cherry Fudge, Macaron, Praline Pie, and Berry Whip. So I also have Warm Nougat, Deep Caramel, and Soft Chai. We'll look at those in a second. Right now we're going to look at these. We'll go to Praline Pie. So you can see there's the lip liner and there is the lip color. This one is, what is this one? Did I open Cherry Fudge? Yeah, this is Cherry Fudge. This is Praline Pie. They look very similar. The color right there, and there's the tip. Very similar. Praline Pie looks lighter. Yeah, lighter than Cherry Fudge is. This is Berry Whip. Berry Whip looks very similar to Macaron. This is Macaron. Ooh, it does look darker. I don't know. I guess since I tore this box, we'll sample it. Ooh. So y'all know me. I want every single one of these, but I won't keep every one of them. I don't need to keep every one of them. These are the same thing, but they're just, I think, darker colors. Let's look at Soft Chai. It is one of the colors that it says is hot. And it's dark. It is dark. More of a fall color for sure. This is Warm Nutmeg. Let's look at the Deep Caramel. Deep Caramel. These are interesting. I like that they have the liner and the lipstick both on them. And y'all, I want to sample every color for y'all, but I don't want to touch them all. So let's just go to this last one, which these are the SHEGLAM Starlight Velvet Lipsticks. I don't know if y'all can see anything it says on there. I have it in Magical Delight, Heartbeat, and Beach Babe. They are normally $4. I paid $3.46. And there's a lot more colors of that than this. Actually, Magical Delight and Beach Babe are two of the ones they call hot, but there's actually 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 colors, and I only got 3. So I didn't buy every single thing like I thought I did. This Magical Delight. Oh, look, it's fancy. It's got heavy too. The color on the bottom. And it's pretty. It's very pretty. Beach Babe is the one I was thinking about keeping for me. Oh, you see why? All right, let me just... Oh, it smells good. Says it's a shimmery matte. I don't see a shimmer in that. I see matte. Let's look at the last one, which is Heartbeat, which is kind of a brownish. It looks more brown on the computer. Very pretty though. Very pretty. They have a purple one, and what's it called? Bold Berry and Flame. Ooh, I like Flame. Yes, I know. So anyway, that is all of my Shein haul. What did y'all think? Did you have any favorites? Any standouts? Do you have a favorite that you get from SHEGLAM, from Shein? Y'all let me know. Comment below. Press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Press the notification bell. Give us a thumbs up. And if you want to donate to your creator, there's a super thanks to donate through YouTube, or you can buy me a coffee. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.